Well. Lovely evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Walid. I'm talking to you from downtown Baghdad. This is a lesson to learn basic and common English verbs. Now, as you can see in this lesson, I do not show my face because I am shy. No, I am just joking. I am not shy. Actually, I am very open-minded and clear and to the point and straightforward. Well, these are some common adjectives and nouns you can use to describe someone. Today, we will discuss some of the common verbs in English that we use in our daily life speaking practice. The first one is have, and have is very common verb in English language. Have in English is like tomato in Arabic. They're both used and consumed quite commonly and extensively in the market. The only difference is the first one is consumed linguistically and verbally, while the second is consumed in our stomachs. If you want to say something using have, you will have to say, I have a car. It means simply, you have a car, you possess a car, you own a car. Now, this verb has multiple meanings. The first meaning is in the sense of ownership. When we say, I have a car, it just means that you possess a car. But if you say, I have a cake for dinner, now the meaning has shifted. When we talk about have, we mean we ate. So ate and have are commonly used interchangeably. The next verb is do. Do is when you do an activity or you do some work. If we want to ask people to do something, we order them to do that thing. I do my home chores. When I say good morning to my dad and mom. When I say, so our next visitor is the verb say. Say is a very common verb in English. If you want to learn this list, I will attach the link to the website. What I want you to do is just write them down on a piece of paper and try to memorize them and use them. You have to go the extra mile. You have to go. So go is another verb to mean move from one place to another. You can go from one place to another if you have the ability. And in order to get to this level, you just need to make an effort to be in this level. As you can notice here, and as you notice here, I use different verb every time I say, because I believe that would make you better English speaker. I will keep saying things that will make you think I'm crazy, but I want you to take everything you see in this video seriously. Now, come and listen to me. Come and listen to me. It means try to approach me and listen carefully. You could agree or disagree with what I want to say, but look, I want you to use your mind and ears to find the best way to learn English. Sometimes you have to give some money to people to buy you books and tell them to work hard to find the right dictionary. But that may take some time until you ask your best friend to help you and make you feel better. This is a list of 25 most common verbs in English. I use them in this conversation podcast. I hope it is useful to you to listen to me. I try to speak slowly. If you like this activity, please let me know so I give you another activity that is in alignment of this activity that will help you become a better English listener and speaker eventually. كان معكم مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.